enra asata anadwo 2 a.m. na maso tia telephone na me ne obi kasa ekonya journalist we ni oba bi afaso ekonya na me say e man na bi beba studio ha say this rock hey and tie for na ahwefo mo fa nche me forgive me for my language because the nonsense in Ghana is getting out of hand and we need to place it as it is. Yes, sometimes you need to be angry in order to put it right. I'm quoting why Ohino we sikado Nana Kwabena Nketia. Yes. You need to get angry in order to put it right. Bema honamwa. Ni hu riche uti so mampam honam. Wonu posu e nipa wo. Ni honam riche. Hu ni honamwa. A otewa una ye doctor. Meyi ni skin akyerɛ. Na hu ni skin wa. I say nam wa ye kyerɛ ho. I say scale e de da so say ya. So mampam. Why? Na numpo no emam wa asasi so baby. They got the desire. Radio station okoye ewo Ghana ha emma egu ho we difa. Emma egu sa radio station we difa. Including the latest one baby okoye yeyi nedi we difa. Now he got the nerves and he want to bring that radio stations down. Owner of the radio station opeso odi adwuma ne bada. Masa na sa na ye no. Ye ne ye adwuma media houses so and the means to which we left peacefully. Na me bawo FP communication from who here? FP communication. And you are friend saying Kwabena Poku Afro Obano. Wait, I don't want to take Papa away time. But me body tete ne yam na ne jana so hwe bibi oto.